What's going on, everybody? Back at you again with another video. That's like the typical YouTube intro that everybody does, and I did it for the one time and the one time only. But I just wanted to make this video. I'm gonna keep it short, I'm gonna keep it sweet, and I'm gonna keep it straight to the point. I'm gonna tell y'all a story about the race between the dog and the cheetah. So these group of people got a group of dogs together, and they got one cheetah, and they was gonna have them race to see who would be faster in a straight line. I don't know how long it would be, but they wanted to see who would be faster, a dog or a cheetah. Now I know what you're thinking, the obvious answer, but you'll be shocked to hear, what actually transpired. So they get all the animals together and they let the gun go off, and all the dogs are flying. I mean, they're really moving, right? And everybody's noticing like, though, like, woo, they're going. But they're noticing that the cheetah is nowhere to be found. And everybody's like, yo, what's going on? How come the cheetah's not running? Like, clearly it would be an easy victory if they were just to run, but the cheetah wasn't moving. And somebody said, sometimes proving that you're stronger, proving that you're faster is an insult. We don't always have to stoop down to somebody else's level to prove that we're better, that we're stronger, that we're faster. Now that might have went over some of y'all's head. I know y'all just be watching these videos and you just kind of be blank staring. You don't be listening. You don't be trying to comprehend. But understand what I'm trying to tell you right now. A lot of you in the world are spending way too much time trying to prove that you're better than another person. Like, you need to show that you got more than this person, or that you make more money than them, or that you have more materialistic things than they do. I know that's the thing, to show that you're better in some way, shape, or form, but you got the game all messed up. It's not about who's better. And y'all feel the need, just because somebody challenges you, you have to step up to the plate and prove yourself. And you might do that, and you might actually prove that you're quote unquote better than that other person, or better than whatever the case may be. But you just insulted yourself stooping down to that level. Everybody in the room, plus you, know that you are all that in a bag of chips, but you felt the need to stoop down just to prove that you're better, that you faster, that you stronger. A cheetah doesn't use its speed to show how fast it is. It uses its speed to hunt. It's not for no race. It's not to prove that I'm faster than you. And we've talked about it before, providing value. But in some instances, you don't always have to prove your value, if that makes sense. All you have to do is prove yourself right. If you're gonna prove anything, prove yourself right. You said that you wanted to be an entrepreneur, right? You said that you wanted to be an athlete. You said that you wanted to make a lot of money. You said that you wanted to be successful. You said that you wanted to put your moms in the house, your dads in the house. You wanted to make sure your girl was cool. You wanted to make sure your mans was cool. You said that. This ain't about proving people wrong. This is about proving yourself right. Some of y'all get in these pointless contests on the internet, going back and forth of why you better, why this is better, why having more of this is better than having less of whatever. When you're wasting air, you're wasting time. Just focus on being your best you. All the goals and everything that you have lined up for yourself, all those little aspirations that you have in your little notebook, or in your phone, on your screensaver, it's all about proving yourself right. Who cares about who's better? Because at the end of the day, the answer to that question is subjective. Everybody's perspective is different. Everybody in the world looks at something in a different way. What's the point of me and another person, or you and another person, going back and forth trying to convince each other about who's right? You can't change somebody's beliefs. If they already believe in something, they're gonna believe in that, no matter how much you argue them down. I'm not telling you not to be competitive, but I'm telling you to pick and choose your battles, because there's a bigger purpose. The goal is not to race against everybody. All this small stuff that everybody's tripping on, that everybody's worried about, that's not why we're put here on earth. But people are so blinded by all this stuff going on, and by everybody coming at them and challenging them, that they can't see past that and look at the bigger goal. And I'm trying to help you get to that point before it's too late, because it's easy to get caught up in this ego match. When you let your pride get in the way and your ego start taking over, that's a dangerous thing. You gotta learn how to put that ego to the side, put your pride to the side, and logically think, is this worth my time?